Tabletop to seated on P-bars. The tabletop to seated on the P-bars is a shoulder strength and mobility exercise. It's used to improve shoulder depression, shoulder retraction, shoulder extension, and straight arm strength. If you don't have a set of P-bars, you can perform this exercise on a set of heavy dumbbells or kettlebells. Set the P-bars to be roughly shoulder width apart. Grip the P-bars and sit down with the hips between the hands and the feet forward of the P-bars. You'll need to play around with the position of your feet. When you move into the tabletop, your knees should be bent at 80 to 90 degrees, and the feet will remain flat on the floor. Place the inside edge of the feet together and keep your knees pressed together for the entire set. Start by lifting the hips off the floor by straightening the arms and locking the elbows. To create external rotation, twist your hands into the P-bars towards your pinky fingers, which will point the elbow pits forward. This helps to keep the elbows locked. Depress the shoulders by pushing down on the P-bars and pulling your shoulder blades down towards your back pockets. Do not allow the shoulders to shrug up towards your ears. This is the seated position. From here, contract your glutes and lift your hips towards the sky. The aim is to create a straight line that passes through the knees, hips, and shoulders. This is the tabletop. As you move into the tabletop, you want to keep the shoulders depressed, and you also want to retract the shoulder blades by pinching them together behind your back. The shoulders are pulled back and down. It helps to push the chest up towards the sky and to think about moving your upper arm bone into the back of the shoulder socket. This is where you'll start to feel a stretch in your chest and biceps. Hold the tabletop for 3 to 5 seconds, then slowly move back to the seated position while keeping your shoulders depressed. If you find this exercise easy, you can try lifting your feet off the floor and turning the seated position into a tuck L sit. This will challenge your shoulder depression strength even more. Continue to move in and out of the tabletop to seated position for the prescribed number of repetitions. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.